matter 46776 Uyamadu. Mr. Berry, whenever you're ready.
Thank you, Mr. Berry, for the commission. This is a motion for entry of judgment against Emeka Michael Uyamadu pursuant to Part 8 of the Texas Rules of Disciplinary Procedure. On April 23rd, 2010, a judgment of conviction by jury was entered in cause number 1138060 and 1176507, styled the State of Texas versus Uyamadu Emeka Michael in the 176th District Court of Harris County, Texas. In cause number 1138060, respondent was found guilty of theft over $20,000 and under $100,000, a third-degree felony, and was sentenced to 10 years in the custody of the Texas Institutional Division of Texas Department of Criminal Justice. That sentence was suspended, and Uyamadu was placed on community service for a period of 10 years. He was ordered to pay a $5,000 fine and serve 60 days in the Harris County Jail. In cause number 1176507, the respondent was found guilty of tampering with a witness, a state jail felony, and was sentenced to 2 years in the custody of the State Jail Division of the Texas Department of Criminal Justice and ordered to pay a $3,000 fine. The respondent appealed under case number 14-10-000393 CR and 141-10-00394 CR in the 14th Court of Appeals. His appeals were denied, and we are seeking an entry of disbarment. The interlocutory order was signed by the board on July the 26th, 2010, and the motion for entry of judgment of disbarment was filed. Mandates issued. July the 26th, 2012, and the motion for entry of disbarment was filed with the Board of Disciplinary Appeals on September the 6th of 2012. The respondent was personally served on the September the 13th with the motion for entry of judgment and notice of hearing by Ray Sturgis, a private process server, and proof of service for the motion of entry of judgment was filed on October the 1st of 2012. At this time, I'd like to introduce Exhibit A, which is a copy of the mandate issued on June the 12th, 2012, in cause number 14-10-00390 CR. Exhibit B is a copy of the mandate issued in cause number 14-10-00394 CR. And the original certificate of Blake Hawthorne, clerk of the Supreme Court, dated September the 28th, 2012, which indicates that the respondent is licensed but not currently authorized to practice law in the state of Texas.
Those are exhibits A, B, and C?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, A, B, and C are admitted. Yes.
At this time, the board respectfully request an entry of judgment of disbarment.
Thank you.
Mr. Berry, I have a question on the first one that I can't pronounce, that you can pronounce very well. Uyamadu. The mandate's issued on December 29th, 2011, and I was wondering why we're just now getting to the
mandates were issued June the 22nd of 2012.
Okay. I must have the wrong notes here. Okay. Thank you.
Is that right?
I'll go back and check.
That's what.
Okay. I was looking at the wrong thing.
You're right.
You're right.
Okay.
Any other questions? Any other comments? Thank you. The next matter